Hey there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add footer in Shopify store. So let's get started. To do it you have to go to your Shopify dashboard first. From there you can see this online store option, tap onto it, and from themes you have to tap onto customize. Let the page load first, then I'm going to show you how you can do it. So as you can see, my page is being loaded. Wait until the page is loaded. Also you can just skip this part, just move for 10 seconds and then you can see the full video. So as you can see, it is taking a very long time, so I'm just gonna show you the screenshots. After clicking onto themes, let's move over to this site. So here you can see this customize option. Simply tap onto customize. So after clicking on the customize at the top left corner, you will see this site. Okay, tap onto home page and then tap onto blog, then it will be more clearer. And here at the bottom left corner you can see this footer option. Tap onto footer, and from footer you can simply add sections or add blocks, and you can add footers easily, as you can see. Now just customize them according to your need and you will be able to add footer. So this is how you can add footer to your Shopify store. If this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe.